Hi everyone! Thank you for watching the StructPro video tutorial. This is the first lesson in a lesson series that will help you learn how to use StructPro. Interacting with CSI models is a core function of StructPro. In today's session, we will explain the general rules that StructPro uses to interact with CSI models. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the following slide. The slide shows an example of data extracted from the ETABS model using StructPro. As you can see, the data contains two parts. The first part is the data index name row. Each data index name represents one type of data variable of the ETABS model that is predefined in StructPro. The second part is the data extracted from the ETABS model that is associated with each data index name. In StructPro, we've introduced a system called Data Index and Command Query, enabling users to seamlessly exchange data between Excel and CSI software. Here is how it works. To start interacting with the CSI model, users need to create an index name row. The index name can be found in the Data Index window, opened by clicking the Data ID button in the menu. Once the Data Index window is open, you can view data index names with their meanings from the Data Index list box. Choose the index names you need and start assigning the index name to the Excel sheet by clicking the Index button. Once the data index row is formed, you can begin exchanging data with the CSI model through various automation commands provided by StructPro. The commands are divided into multiple categories and can be found in the menu of StructPro. Search and click on the command category you need from the menu. A panel of commands will open, showing you all the command buttons associated with that category. Note that each command name button has its own abbreviation shown in the square bracket to help users identify the command associated with each index name previously shown in the Data Index window. By looking at the command column, you can easily identify which command button can be used with the corresponding index name in the list. Finally, click on the command you want to start exchanging data from the Excel table with the CSI model. StructPro offers a comprehensive suite of approximately 150 commands across 12 categories, covering everything from modeling to design. These commands are meticulously designed to assist you in automating various aspects of your structural work. Now, let us demonstrate interacting function of StructPro with the CSI model using a simple example. First, let's open ETABS and Excel and place them side by side, as shown on the screen. In this example, we are going to collect some column data from the ETABS model to the Excel table. First, you need to choose the appropriate CSI program to work with. From the menu, click on the button in the link group. Then, select the appropriate CSI program from the pop-up window. Next, you need to start creating the data index row by click the Data ID. Once the Data Index window is open, you can select and choose the index names you need from the list and start assigning the index name to the Excel sheet by clicking the Index button. In this example, I will choose column member and some data properties related to column. Once the data index window is created, let's move on to applying the command. Since, in this example, we are collecting column data, let's click on the column button in the menu to open the command window related to the column category. Now, let's move the mouse to ETABS window and select some columns. After selecting some columns from the ETABS window, move the mouse back to the column command window and click the Get Column button. By doing so, the unique name of the selected column will be imported to the Excel table. Next, choose all the rows from the imported column and click the Get Column Property button. This action will import the data from these columns into the table, aligning with the corresponding predefined data index name for each column. This concludes today's tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to watch more video tutorials of our software in the future. Thank you for watching.